3 ways for Toyo Supermarket to help parents choose an alarm clock suitable for their children.
1. Age suitability. Clearly mark the age range for each sleep alarm in the product description to help parents quickly find products that match their children's age. 2. On-site trial. Set up a special experience area in the supermarket so that parents and children can try out different styles of sleep alarms on-site and experience their sound and lighting effects. 3. Consulting services. Provide professional consulting services to help parents recommend suitable products based on their children's specific needs, such as sleeping habits, preferences, etc. Follow Meredith for more expertise.